Hey everybody, we're back for another video. We're down in North Carolina. We're checking out the Wash House Laundromats today. We got to check out the store already. Met with the owner. I appreciate him. He's a real nice guy. He took us out to lunch. You can check out his channel. He's actually got a channel and podcast. I'll link that below in the description. This is a brand new store. I also linked to the video. He did a video walkthrough of the first day they bought over the store, took over the store.
We're starting the demolition today. We're remodeling this place into a wash house laundromat.
Remodeled the whole inside and turned it to kind of one of their standard stores, so I'll put that in the description below too. This is a card-only store, no coins to collect, and looks pretty good inside, so let's go inside and see how it looks. Nice big open store. You got your vending here. It's like two rows of washers, front and back, and then dryers on the outside. Push to exit, magnetic locks. They use these jumbo carts. They don't use any regular small carts. For seating, they use the airport style seats. So they fold to the wall, and they got some picnic tables in there. So these are the machines. They use these, the card system. We'll check that out in a minute. Real easy. All you do is scan them on the machine and then press start on the machine to get them going. Cool tile floor. They only have 80-pound dryers and 50-pound dryers. It's $1.25. Insert the card. And you get 17 minutes for $1.25. More washers here. Pipe or something. They got a full-time cleaner here during the days. Let's go check out their cart here. Looks like the only game they have here is the exact scale to check your weight. Oh, there it goes. You're welcome. So we walked around. All the machines in the front seem to be the busiest. These are where you load your cards to get new cards. Scan your card in here. Reload money. Phone number, website. See all their locations. Whoa. Nice big open store. Got cameras up there. 3 different doors, and then bathrooms over there. This is the bathroom. The towel all the way up. That's smart. And keep it simple. There we go. Nice and simple. Fan always running, smart. Automatic lights, smart.